because of the animals that roam about the island. A cactus with a red cap is where the island.
So for today in Turks and Caicos, we have just been chilling right outside of the ship port and the cruise ship area. They have like chairs and stuff you can rent. They have a pool area for free, like a Margaritaville, but we've been kind of chilling in these chairs. They cost $40 from the rental place and it's shaded, so we've been having a relaxing day, going in the ocean, swimming around. We're gonna dry off now, go shopping and head back to the ship. Bye-bye beach chair. Bye-bye beach. Thank you, I'm sorry.